Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sele Kalio. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Please take this time to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if it was beneficial to you. Okay, so today we're going to be making a simple face wash. Okay, this is a very simple recipe and we're going to be using guar gum as our thickener, and we're going to measure that out. All the ingredients and their measurements will be put in this video, so keep watching and watch carefully. Now, to dissolve your xanthan gum or your guar gum, you need glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant and it helps to, moisturize the skin and also help the guar gum dissolve beautifully into our mixture, because if you put it directly into the water, it will just clump up and be chunky and all over the place. So now I'm going to mix that up, make sure everything is dissolved, make sure everything is mixed rather, before I go ahead to add my other ingredients. Next, we are going to add our preservative, and for this we are using Jamal Plus. Jamal Plus is a broad spectrum preservative. It is a water soluble preservative. It helps with ingredients or products that you're going to be using that we're going to be coming in contact with water. I do not know why I'm tongue-tied, but please bear with me. So next we have our colors. I'm using mica powders here, and you can use any color that you want. Today I just want to use something bright, and I'm picking this orange color. This is going to be the color for our wash. Now you can use any color that you want, which is why I played out a lot of colors. Now moving on to our water phase, we're going to add distilled water into our beaker. Room temperature distilled water. You don't have to heat it up or warm it up or anything, just room temperature distilled water into your beaker, and this is going to be like a carrier for our wash or base. So here we have our glycerin, guar gum, and coloring and our preservative, and we're going to add that into our water. Go ahead and mix that together. Make sure everything is incorporated. If you have the little stick blenders, you can use that to make sure everything is blended thoroughly so you don't have any separations. Right now, this is what we have. This is what the product is looking like. Really beautiful. So now we're going to add our surfactants, and we are using a combination of 3 different surfactants. First of all, we're using cocoa glucoside, and cocoa glucoside is a natural surfactant that is derived from coconuts. Okay, now surfactants are used to reduce the surface tension of liquids and also to improve the washing process. Okay, so this will help with removing dirt and oils and all of that from your skin. We're also going to be using dicyl glucoside. Dicyl glucoside is a mild cleansing agent. It is very, very skin friendly. It helps to retain skin's moisture even when you use the product repeatedly. It prevents dryness on the skin. Dicyl glucoside is very, very gentle and it is safe to use on sensitive skin. Now we're also going to be using cocoa betaine, which is a foaming agent, and it will help this product lather very, very well. Now this product is actually called cocamidopropylene betaine. It is very, very hydrating. In fact, It is more hydrating than most other ingredients that are used as surfactants. It is also very gentle, and since it cleanses the skin by lathering up and bonding to the impurities, it is super gentle on the skin. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and mix all of that goodness together. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Now, if you see some of the little clumps in the product, it is just our guar gum that hasn't thoroughly dissolved. What you can do is leave this product to stay for a few hours, or you leave it to stay overnight. Now, moving on, we are going to add our fragrance, essential oil, whatever you want to use. I'm using fragrance here, and it's a very beautiful smell. You can pick whichever one you want, and voila, we have our face wash. Now the next step is to check the pH of this product. Now we want to make sure that the pH is safe enough to use on our faces. So you want to make sure your pH is about between 5 to 5.5. If you get 6, that's fine, but yeah. So this is me just being extra. I'm just trying to make sure everything is well combined because of the fragrance. So I'm just using my little blender to, mix everything together. And here we have our beautiful face wash. You can go ahead to add whatever you want to add in this. You can add alpha hydroxy acids. You can add other ingredients to give it whatever effect you want, but this is just a simple face wash to remove dirt and oil and debris from my skin. All right, go ahead and put that into your bottle, and then just keep it to properly dissolve after a few hours. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this simple recipe. Please, if you haven't subscribed, take this time to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget, our training starts next week. If you haven't registered for our serum training, do that now. Bye, guys.